Hey, what's up, my good people? Welcome, guys, to Tech Explorers. Kindly, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that you'll never miss any update from us. In today's video, we'll be taking a look on how you can be able to turn on, that is, dark mode in Chat GPT. Chat GPT is a new and the most very amazing AI tool that is being used by most people globally. So how can you be able to turn on the dark mode? You can see currently I'm using the light dim mode. So how can you be able to turn on the dark mode? The main reason most people prefer using the dark mode, especially if you have a eyesight problem, you may turn on the dark mode to reduce what you call the eye strain. For example, you can see this kind of brightness. At times it is not good for your eyesight, and most people prefer, like myself, I prefer to work on dark mode so that to reduce the eye strain. And when it is in dark mode, I can be able to use my PC for a very long time without feeling some kind of discomfort in my eyes. So to turn on the dark mode, you just need to click this dark mode icon here. And once you just click dark mode, you can see the screen has just turned dark. So that is how simply you can be able to turn on the dark mode that is in Chat GPT. In case you take somebody's, or in case you are using a PC and the Chat GPT is in dark mode and you want the light mode, because there are those guys who prefer working on the light mode. So all you need to do is just click this light mode and the Chat GPT will just convert to light mode. So that's all I have for today, guys. Kindly, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe so that you'll never miss any update from us. That's all we have for today, guys. Goodbye.